Hello student, I am Krishna Soneya. Welcome back to English Grammars class. Today we are going to do chapter number 14, talking about future, will, going to, shall. So today in this video we are going to study will, when we are going to use will. So first let us understand what is future. Past, now, future. Future means what is going to happen, what you are going to do, what you will do, what you shall do. That is your future. So for future, we use so many words like will, going, that we are going to predict something, we are taking some decision that I will do that, that is your decision. Some uncertainty. Uncertainty means nothing is fixed. If you don't know that what is going to happen, then also that is used in future. So there are so many words which can be used for future. Now, in your book, some introduction part is given. Now, here, this GT and his friends, they went to Sydney. Now, they are planning something that they are going to see, that they are going to do that, they will watch something like that. So, here are their conversation. Yay, I have always wanted to go down under. Now, there we are in Sydney. What shall we do? So, now here is he is asking that now what we are going to do as we are here. The Ashes are on. I will watch a cricket match at the Sydney Cricket Ground. Then, no, GT. I want to see kangaroos. Do you think I will see some in Sydney? Cricket. Bleh. I will listen to opera at the Sydney Opera House. So here all are having some different predictions, some different suggestions that what they are going to do in Sydney. So now, when do we use will? We use will to tell people that we know or believe about the future. Like here is the example. In a decade, man will live on Mars. So that is your opinion that in a decade, man will live on Mars. It will not be easy for man to survive anywhere. So, in a decade, man will live on Mars. That is your opinion. It will be, it will not be easy for man to survive anywhere other than Earth. Now, this I know that other than Earth, it will not be easy for any man to survive. So, what you know and what is your opinion? If you want to say these things, you are going to use will for making the sentence. Then, when other you will use for activities. For activities we decide to do at the moment we speak. Suppose I say that I will go to ground. So at present only I am going to go. So at the moment when you speak, at that time if you are deciding, then you will use this. So here it is. Example is given. Mac, I just heard people saying they saw kangaroos. So GT said, really? Where? I will go there. So at the moment GT decided to go there, and so he used I will go there. Meg, I will tell you. Take the first left, then walk for a kilometer and turn right. And there you will find the Sydney Zoo. You are sure to find kangaroos there. Ha ha ha. So here one path Meg has showed. So at the moment when you are speaking, you are deciding to do something, you will use this. You will use will. So here the format for making the sentence is like this: subject will plus verb in base form. Always keep this in your mind. The verb will always be in base form. It will not be in V2, V3, any other form. You will be using base form only after will. So I, we, you, they, he, she, it. In that you will use will plus go, will not go for negative. So go will only come here. Went, gone. This type of verbs will never come after will. To form questions, what we are doing, we are taking will before the subject. Like, will you go? Will she go? Now here is your exercise given. Imagine we succeed in setting up a city on Mars. What do you think life will be like on Mars? And you have to suppose you how children will study and how people will live there. You have to make sentence using will or will not. So here I have written few sentences. You have to make more sentences by your own. You can write down these sentences in your book, but you have to make more sentences by your own. Like, people will use space suits to walk outside. Desert sports will be very popular. Now in Mars there is lot of desert, so it will be hot outside. People will travel on huge spaceships. Children will study Martian geography. People will live inside air conditioned houses. Now you will need AC because there is lots of desert, so it is too hot. So this way you have to make more sentences for your practice. So that's all for today. In the next lecture, we are going to study going to verb. Okay, going to, how we will use this and how we will make sentences. So for today, you have to make 5 sentences using will and will not by your own for practicing. Bye bye. Have a nice day.